Is it hard to get into scale mail?
No, it's actually so easy. Let me show you.
So to get started, you're gonna need some pliers, some rings, and some scales. Once you have the basics down, you can kind of play around with it and get different shapes based on what you're trying to make. This, for example, is gonna be a shoulder pauldron. I like to start by making myself a pile of open rings. You wanna get started by placing 2 scales behind one in the middle, like this. And then we're just going to connect these. So I'm gonna put one ring like this, and then close it. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. And then we're gonna repeat that process by adding a scale each time. This is what it should look like on the other side. Now let's start the next layer by adding this scale to the middle here. Getting started is probably the toughest part. The more scales you have, the easier it will be to work with because it won't get like as misshapen when you move it around when you're adding rings to it. Let's add another one to this layer. We need to add it to the outside here this time. Now it's starting to take shape. The layers stack on top of each other. Now we're gonna add 4 scales across the bottom here. So the end pieces of each row will only be connected by 1 ring, whereas any middle pieces, like these two, will be connected by 2 rings to the 2 scales above it. We want to go in through the top ring and up through the bottom. This is what a larger piece would look like. As you can see, it like takes better shape the more pieces you add. And then from the front, this is what it looks like.